Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So this is Saturday morning. Yeah, Saturday morning, and just woke up because I got this package last night. Another addition to my collection, I believe. I'm super duper excited to see this for the first time. I've been waiting a while for it. Ordered it from my contact in New York, and he came through right away. But first, hey, here's the Coral Blue Monster, SBDC067. Blue Coral Monster, I should say. But anyway, excuse me, I got this last night, and I had to leave. I had to go away because I had an awesome class. Me and my brother and my stepson we went to a forging class, and check this out. Yeah, you get to forge your own knife. Very cool. Forged look. Did this myself last night. Very cool class in Palmyra, Pennsylvania. So yeah, we went up there and had a great time last night. They had some homemade cider and did some axe throwing. In fact, actually, I won the axe throwing competition. I won this little, the place is called the Drunken Smithy. And so they gave me this little thing they forged for me for winning the axe throwing competition. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Anyway, I'm going to use this knife to open the box. First time I ever used it. And wow, it's really, really, really sharp. So we'll see how this goes. So yeah, I pre-ordered this watch, I think like 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks ago. And he texted me Monday. He said, hey, guess what? It's in. It's in. So here we have it. Let's get all this packaging out of the way. SEIKO box. Of course, you got the pamphlets. All that good stuff that comes with it. So let's check this out. First time I get to see it, and oh, it's wrapped up. Oh, yeah, there it is. Sweet, 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 sweet. This is, let me get this in focus. Yeah, the Frost Monster. So I'm so excited to see this in person. You get to see it with me. Let's get this focus. Oh, there it is. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful doll. Very different. And that's why I wanted it, because I don't know. It seems like the orange is so popular, and this one here just really caught my eye, and I just had to go with it. So I'm going to, wow, this is really nice. This is really nice. Oh, great bezel action. I'm going to come back with a full review of this. I have a whole bunch of watches here that are coming up. You're going to get to look at some great new boulders. I just received in the mail, I have a Vario watch that's coming up too. He just sent out a new prototype. They're going to launch in April. So that's all coming. I'm going to size this. Yes, this is pin and collar. Did a turtle unboxing a while ago. That was a pin and collar. Little challenge to do, but they're kind of actually fun when you just dig into them and do them. Maybe I should do a video on that sometime. But yeah, I'm super pumped on this watch. Nice polished hands. We'll get some specs going, and I'll do a full review. Let me see if I can get this. Let me see if I can get this on my wrist. Man, I really, really like this guy. I really like this guy. I really like this guy. I'm just gonna go right through all this stuff. The tape. Let's just take a look at that. Oh yeah, that's killer, man. That is killer. Very unique, different design. Love the dial. I mean, something really new. I like it. Hope you guys did too. Hey, I hope you guys are having a great day. And if you love the channel, please subscribe. There's going to be a lot more content coming. Stay well.